Hello and welcome to the special segment called as MC Pro Select Stock of the Day. I'm your host Nikki Michandani, and in this segment we bring to you fundamentally strong investment stock ideas. Today's stock of the day is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Let's get to know more about the bank, which is essentially the fourth largest private sector bank in India. Beyond traditional banking, Kotak Mahindra Group has a diversified presence across a wide spectrum of financial services, catering to the diverse needs of its customers. Notably, the bank's founder, that is Uday Kotak, has stepped down now from his executive role but retains a significant 26% equity in the institution. Now, there has been a recent underperformance in the recent times for this bank. The management transition remains a key overhang, impacting the stock performance. Now, why the weak phase might be actually a good long-term opportunity, you may ask. A couple of reasons. High quality financial services player. That's the long and short of it. Let me talk about it a little more in detail about this one. Mr. Kotak's strategic acumen is evident in the deliberate construction of a high quality bank, which is marked by a calibrated approach to its growth trajectory. Following a successful navigation through the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, the bank has now revved up its loan expansion, showing solid loan growth momentum for eighth consecutive quarter, with over 19% growth in quarter first. Now, the surge is widespread across various segments except agriculture and corporate. Additionally, the share of unsecured loans in the total advances currently stands at around 10.7%, leaving substantial room for further expansion. Also, talk about deposits, which seem to be coming back. Now, the bank's strategic focus on deposit accumulation is showing promising outcomes with noteworthy sequential surge of roughly 6.4% in quarter one, outpacing the loan growth of nearly 2.7% for the quarter under review. This strategic, let's just say, this stronger deposit growth is partly driven by the bank's aggressive promotion of its hybrid saving product, that is Active Money. This approach allows the bank to tap into substantial pool of resources at a blended rate lower than that of traditional term deposits. Healthy margin despite near-term moderation. That's another one for you. Well, the bank's net interest margin, NIM, hit its peak at around 5.75% by the end of the previous financial year. However, in the quarter one of the ongoing financial year, there was a sequential decline in NIM with an 18 basis point drop, and a further moderation in NIM is anticipated in the upcoming quarters. Despite these fluctuations, the bank remains confident in its ability to maintain a healthy NIM of around, or let's just say above 5%. Now, the asset quality. The bank has consistently maintained an exceptional asset quality with a track record that maintains best in class. Now, in Q1, both gross and net non-performing assets, that's NPA, were reported at a number of around 1.77% and 0.4% respectively, and a solid provision cover of nearly 78% further enhance the bank's stability. Moreover, the bank is well capitalized with a capital adequacy ratio in excess of 21%, positioning it favorably for an ambitious growth trajectory hereon. A full-fledged financial services play. Now, that's another reason for you to lap up this counter. According to MC Pro, the bank has established a strong presence in the financial services sector through a wide array of subsidiaries. These subsidiaries continue to play a crucial role as key value drivers, particularly as the financialization of Indian economy progresses. It's worth noting that none of these subsidiaries are publicly listed entities. The last one, of course, is the promoter's skin in the game. Now, Kotak Mahindra Bank stands as a solid core investment in the Indian economy ongoing growth trajectory. The recent market correction has resulted in more attractive valuation, currently at 2.3 times FY25 core book, making it a compelling opportunity. Notably, Uday Kotak, holding a substantial 26% stake in the bank, has a significant personal investment in its success. Well, with this, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in.